Welcome to the Hub of Knowledge Study Style.
All of you, I hope you all are fine. So as you know that we have already started the word map series and we have completed the North American continent. Also in our previous videos we have done the Central American countries. Now we are starting with the South American continent. So let's start with this continent, the physical features in detail. So guys, as you can see it over here, this is the political map of South America. So there are 13 countries in South America, as you can see it over here. This is Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, French Guiana, Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia, Brazil, Paraguay, Chile, Argentina and Uruguay. These are the 13 countries which lie in South American continent. So here we can see that there are 13 countries in South American continent and 2 of these countries are landlocked. So here this is Bolivia and this is Paraguay. These are the landlocked countries which are not connected to any of the coastal area, that is any ocean. As you can see it over here, that here lies Pacific Ocean on the western coast of South American continent, and on the eastern side you can see it over here, this is Atlantic Ocean. And one more important thing is that all the nations in the South American continent are connected with, that means are touching boundary with Brazil. This is the country Brazil, but only 2 countries are there who are not touching boundary with the country Brazil. That is Ecuador and Chile. You can see it over here, Ecuador, and this is Chile. As I can show you, this is Brazil and it is touching the border with this French Guiana, Suriname, Guyana, Venezuela, Colombia, Peru, and here Paraguay, Bolivia, Uruguay and Argentina also. But only 2 nations are there by which it is not touching the boundary, that is Chile and Ecuador. So let us see some of the physical features of South America. So guys, as you can see it over here, that these are Andes. This is the mountain range which lie on the western coast of South American continent, and it is the world's longest mountain ranges. So keep this in your mind that the world's longest mountain range lies in South American continent on the western side of it. So you can see that it is passing through Venezuela. It starts from Venezuela all the way along Chile. As you can see it over, this is Chile, to the Southern America southern tip over here. And from Venezuela to Chile, it passes through the countries Colombia over here, Ecuador, Peru, this is Bolivia, and this one Chile, and this Argentina also. So the Andes extend from north to south through 7 South American countries, that is Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia, Chile and Argentina. So in this map you can see it over here that this is the continent of South America and here is 0 degree. That means equator lies over here. So this is northern hemisphere and this one part is southern hemisphere. That means the South American continent lies in both the hemispheres, that is northern and southern hemisphere. But as you can see it over here, that minor part of it lies in northern hemisphere and the major portion lies in southern hemisphere. Likewise, you can see it over here that this is Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degrees south. So it also passes through this South American continent. So some of the countries of South American continent passes through this 23.5 degrees south. Which of the following countries lies on it? You can see this is Chile, this is Argentina, this is Paraguay and this is Brazil. So 4 countries lies on the Tropic of Capricorn. So here we can see that 2 of the lines, that is equator 0 degree and Tropic of Capricorn, passes through this South American continent. And by this we can conclude that this country Chile lies entirely in southern hemisphere because it is below this equator line. Okay. And one more interesting fact is that Brazil, this country is passing through equator also and Tropic of Capricorn also. So we can say that by latitude wise this Brazil country is very big country, big in size, which is covering 2 latitudes, 2 main latitudes, that is 0 degree and 23.5 degree south. So here you can see that this is the country Uruguay, which do not pass through Tropic of Cancer. It is entirely outside the tropics. So keep it in your mind that this Uruguay is entirely outside the tropics. Well, you can see that here the Chile is also passing through Tropic of Capricorn, Argentina is also, Paraguay and Brazil also. But only Uruguay is not touching it. Now one fact about Colombia is its coast lies in both the ocean, that is Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. You can see it over here that this is the coast of Colombia. So this part is lying in North Pacific Ocean, and this part here you can see Caribbean Sea, which is also the part of North Atlantic Ocean. So it is, Colombia is the only country in South American continent which is touching the coast of both the ocean, that is Pacific and Atlantic Ocean. And you can see it over here that this is Panama, and this Panama, Isthmus of Panama is separating this Colombia into two parts, that is one part in Pacific Ocean and one part in Atlantic Ocean. As here you can see, this is Venezuela. Angel Falls is located here, and this fall is famous for being one of the 4 most beautiful waterfalls in the world, and it is the highest uninterrupted waterfall in the world. So Angel Falls lies over here in Venezuela, and the capital of Venezuela is Caracas. Guri Reserve is also located over here in Venezuela, which is an important water reservoir in Venezuela. And on here in Guri River there is Angel Falls. So you must remember this basic things about Venezuela. So, and also one most important thing, that in Venezuela Lake Maracaibo is also located, which is one of the biggest lakes of South America. Let me show you in the map also. As you can see over here that this is Venezuela, and over here to the left side it is Colombia, which is touching its boundary. So here you can see this you can see with red color. So this is Lake Maracaibo, and you can see it over here that this is Panama, which is connecting the two continents, that is North America and South America. Here also you can see it over here that this is Lake Maracaibo, which is entirely lies in Venezuela. And here you can see this is Caribbean Sea, and this one is Gulf of Venezuela. Now guys, let us read something about the river, Amazon River. It is the second longest river of the world. As you know that first longest is Nile, River Nile, which lies in Africa. So as you can see it over here that these are Andes, I told you, originating from Venezuela and lies to the extreme south of Argentina. From here originates a river, that is Amazon River, second longest river of the world. First of all, as you know that this is equator, 0 degree equator, which is also passing from South American continent, as I told you earlier. So from here Peru originates the river Amazon, which goes into Brazil, and then it cuts equator just before making delta and makes delta over here. So this is delta of Amazon, and this delta of Amazon lies in Atlantic Ocean. I'm just making this rough map, I will show you in the map later on. And also you must know the river Madeira. Madeira is the largest tributary of Amazon River, which is the right bank tributary of Amazon River, and the streams of this river, that is Madeira, comes from here Bolivia, from Andes mountains in Bolivia. So its streams are coming like this, some of the streams, and some of the streams of this Madeira river also comes from this Mato Grosso. This is a plateau. So some of the streams of Madeira river also comes from here, then it joins over here and it becomes the right bank tributary of this Amazon River over here. So these are the two main rivers. Amazon I have told you earlier, and this is Madeira, which is the right bank tributary of Amazon River. And Amazon is always filled with water because it passes through Amazon rainforest, which is marked by abundant rainfall. And you must know that these Andes mountains, these are the major source of water for South America, and many of the rivers originate from here only. These are Andes. So you must remember these things, that this Amazon originates, both the river originating from Andes, but this Amazon is originating from Peru. But Madeira, this is also originating from Andes, but it is originating from the country Bolivia. So guys, you can see it over here that these are the Andes mountains, and this is Peru, as you can see it over here. And from here originating a river, that is Amazon River. This is Amazon River originating from here, from Peru, and then goes into this Brazil, and then it makes delta over here in this is Atlantic Ocean. And also it cuts equator over here at 0 degree. So it is the east flowing river of South America. So here in this map you can see that these are Andes mountains, and this is the river Amazon, which is east flowing, and this is flowing in Brazil and then making delta over here in Atlantic Ocean. and you can see it over here, the right bank tributary Madeira, and some of the streams also coming, and this becomes as the right bank tributary of this Amazon river. And in this map you can see that here it is given Mato Grosso. Mato Grosso is over here in Brazil, and from here originating a river Madeira, as I told you, and which becomes the right bank tributary of this Amazon river, and it drains into Atlantic Ocean. I hope it is now clear to you, and for more clear view you can also see it in your atlases and can mark them also. So as you know that this is Brazil. This is very famous for Amazon rainforest. As you know that there was fire in the Amazon forest also. So the main portion of these rainforest, Amazon rainforest, lies in Brazil. And you can see it over here that this is equator, 0 degree. So Amazon rainforest lies in the south of the equator, as you can see it over in the south of the equator. But a minor part of the Amazon rainforest also lies over here in the north of this equator, but only a minor part. So guys, as you can see it over here that this is Amazon basin. Okay, so there are so many rivers which are originating from Andes and they are forming the basin. This is Amazon basin. Here this green part, as you can see it over here, this green part, this is Amazon rainforest. So as you can see that this is equator and minor part of it lies over the equator and major portion lies in the south of equator. And you can see it over here that major portion of this Amazon rainforest lies in Brazil. And the Amazon rainforests are also known as selvas. The selvas term is commonly used for Amazon rainforest. These are dense equatorial forest. Now we will read something about Orinoco River, as it is also the river of South America, and it originates from Venezuela and it flows through Venezuela and Colombia. Let me show you on that map. So guys, as you can see it over here that this country is Venezuela, and to the east of this you can see this country. This is a small country. This is Guyana, and you can see this portion, this gray portion, you can see it over here, which lies in Guyana also, and some part of it lies in Venezuela. So these are Guiana Highlands. And from here originates a river, that is river Orinoco. So these Guiana Highlands lies to the north of Selva. So guys, let's see this map. As you can see it over here that this is Guyana and this is Venezuela, and over here lies these islands. These are Guiana Islands, and from here originates a river. As you can see it over here, this is originating from Guiana Islands. This is Orinoco River, and which is also a minor part of it lies in Colombia, and then it flows in Venezuela, and then it drains into this Atlantic Ocean, as you can see it over here. So one point to be noted here is that these Guiana Highlands lies in 3 countries. The countries are Guyana, Venezuela and Brazil. Some part of it lies in Brazil also, and these Guiana Highlands entirely lies in northern hemisphere. As you can see that 0 degree passes over here, 0 degree, that is equator. So Orinoco River originates from Guiana Highlands. So guys, it's done for today. I think we have covered many of the features, and the leftover topics we will do in the next video, that is part 2 of this video. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.